Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we'll be discussing that what is the best way to choose branch. I have seen multiple of videos, but what I observe that still students are confused. So as we are doing counseling for a lot of students, still we have observed the student and parents they are key confused. So in this video, we'll be discussing how you can choose your branch. So I made few points. I hope this will be helping you. Also, we'll be uploading multiple videos regarding the same topic because a lot of students who are confused and who are still figuring out that what branch they should choose. So let's get started. If you had not subscribed, you can subscribe. So the best way to choose a branch is with your interest. Okay. So firstly, you have to ask yourself few questions that what subject do I genuinely enjoy? Okay. And what kind of problem do I like solving? And what topic make you curious about even outside the class? So basically you have to figure out what exactly your interest is. We will be discussing a lot in these videos. One example. If you like coding, there are a lot of students who must be having CS, computer science in their grade 11th and 12th. So if you like coding, then you can go for computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning. Okay. If you love electronic gadgets, then the other branches, electric and communication, triple E, electric and instrumentation. If you love machines, car, robotics, mechanical is also one of the branch. If you love infrastructure, buildings, lingo for 7. If you like chemistry, chemical engineering is also one of the good branch. So in this first section, what we had learned, in the first section, we observed that as per your interest, as per your interest. Okay. Second, what is your strength? But while doing all these things, you should be very loyal to yourself. Okay. The first thing, you should be honest that what you are stronger in at. Okay. Maths and logic. Then you can go for computer science, artificial, data science. If you're good in physics, you like physics, you can go for ECE, triple E, and mechanical. Chemistry, then chemical engineering. If you're good in biology and interested with the tech, then biotechnology, medical engineering. It's a good field. It's an emerging field without say. And if you like creative and design, industrial design is also a good branch. Now, second, this is the second important point. In here, we check your strength as per the subject. Now come little bit more. Understand real why. Now just branch not strong. Okay. So basically what I want to say in here that you have to understand that what these branch work in real. Real means like in the real world. Okay. Not just the branch name. There are a lot of students who are just taking okay computer science. Everyone is going for the computer science. I should also go for computer science. That should not be there. Okay. We should understand that what in the real world this branch will apply and what work we have to do. Okay. For example, computer science building about software and product, although it's a lot more about it, a lot of things also what they do, but to understand our interest, we are trying to figure it out. If we talk about typically, they are working in the power systems, electrical hardware, mechanical engineering, design, manufacture, civil engineering, construction, and infrastructure project. Okay. Now, consider your career goals also. So there are a lot of students who want after 4 years they get a paid job. There are students who are willing to go for after 4 years for masters and PhD program. So as per that, you have to plan. Also, as per the See, every student is having a different opinion about now after 4 years they want to earn, after 5 years, after 6 years, after 8 years. It's like that, okay? So the first thing, if you want very high paying, do I want very high paying job in software roles? Do I want a core job in the engineering? Core is basically civil, mechanical, needs on a core base. Okay? I want a job in PSUs. I want to go for the higher studies research, or I want to do MBA later. So this also you have to figure. So this is the fourth very important point. Okay, Shika, listen more down. Now the balance branch college carefully. Okay, this is also a very important thing. So there are students who just choose the branch, whatever branch they are getting. Okay, means like for an example, their students, if he or she is getting an IT Trichy, so what they do, they just take the branch, whether they have interest or not. They just take the branch and they start doing it. But kindly, try to understand, if you're not interested in that field or in that branch, the 4 year will be very toxic. So don't, just go for the branch. Please, I request, please try to figure out your interest. So, in here you can see, better college, slightly lower branch is proof can be worth it. So, this also you have to think of. But never take any branch which you strongly dislike. If you don't like the branch, please don't pick that branch just because of brand names. Which is a little bit more down. Up. And this is a practical formula which I got. So, best branch is equal to interest into aptitude into career fit plus college quality. The first thing is your interest. Second thing is aptitude. Third thing is career fit plus college quality also. And you can avoid these things common mistakes to avoid. Don't choose on the base of just on the highlight of high packages. Second, peer pressure, because everyone is taking CS, so I have to take CS. And if you are not taking CS, I will not, get any career in future. So don't go for like that. Open relative option. Brand's name sound cool. Also, you should test yourself also. As we discussed, 5 points. Please test yourself, rate yourself from 1 to 10 in every field. And how interested I am in this field. As I mentioned that in this field, this will be the thing, in this field, this will be the thing, in this field, this will be the. So, what you have to do, you have to check your interest in this field. How would I like the core subject? Can you imagine studying 4 years same subject? Or am I okay with this career path? And the branch with whichever will be the fit with all of the things after this 5 points. Then after analyzing yourself, that particular branch you can go for. Actually, in this channel already there are a lot of videos regarding the same, but I think to make more videos on the branch change, the reason because when I took the college, I was not having awareness of the branch. And even if you talk to your parents also, at their time also, they just took the branch and they just started. Whatever the good college they are getting, they just took the branch. So but I think like the current scenario or current students, please don't just follow whatever our seniors or parents are saying. Try to figure out your interest, because you are the one who have to study that 4 year journey. That's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.